Imagine a world where the sea surrenders to your footsteps, revealing paths once hidden beneath its surface. This is the Wadden Sea, a place unlike any other, where tides carve their story twice a day. At sunrise, the flats glisten like mirrors, reflecting the sky's golden hues. Here, nature invites you to explore its ever-changing wonderland. Spanning over 480 kilometers, the Wadden Sea connects the Netherlands, Germany, and Denmark with its unparalleled natural beauty. It's the world's largest intertidal zone, a UNESCO World Heritage Site revered for its ecological significance. This remarkable stretch of coastline isn't just a destination, it's a living, breathing landscape that beckons explorers from around the globe. Its vastness is a reminder of nature's limitless creativity. When the tide recedes, the Wadden Sea unveils a mesmerizing tapestry of rippled sands and shimmering tidal pools. It's a fleeting world, one that exists only for a few hours before the sea reclaims it. Tiny creatures scurry through the wet sand, their lives intricately tied to the rhythms of the ocean. Every step you take connects you to this delicate and ancient cycle. The Wadden Sea is more than just a stretch of land and water, it's a thriving sanctuary for incredible wildlife. White-beaked dolphins leap joyfully in its waves, while fish dart below the surface in synchronized harmony. This is their playground, a testament to the richness of marine life. To witness these creatures is to experience the heartbeat of this ecosystem. Nestled along the Wadden Sea coast are Friesland's enchanting fishing villages, where time seems to stand still. Here, medieval churches rise like sentinels, their spires reaching toward the sky. The quiet streets are lined with tales of seafarers and traditions passed down through generations. It's a place where history meets the natural beauty of the sea. The Wadden Sea is a paradise for bird lovers, attracting countless species with its bountiful wetlands. Herons spread their wings and take flight, their silhouettes graceful against the horizon. Migratory birds use this coastal haven as a vital stopover, feeding and resting on their long journeys. It's a spectacle of nature that unfolds with every visit. In Friesland's coastal harbors, fishing boats rest gently on the tide, their masts swaying like metronomes. These boats aren't just vessels, they're symbols of a way of life deeply intertwined with the sea. Generations of fishermen have harvested these waters, bringing the ocean's bounty to their communities. Their stories echo in every creak of wood and every knot in their nets. In the Wadden Sea, adventure takes the form of wadlopen, or mudflat hiking. Guided by experts who know every tide and ripple, travelers step onto the seabed, ready to embrace the unexpected. It's an experience that requires courage and curiosity, where every step is a journey into the unknown. The guide's passion for the sea is infectious, turning trepidation into excitement. Before setting out on a mudflat hike, preparation is key. Travelers lace up their boots, their anticipation growing with each knot. It's a moment of reflection and readiness, knowing the adventure ahead will challenge them in ways they can't yet imagine. This isn't just a walk, it's a test of balance, endurance, and a willingness to get muddy. As the tide retreats, the Wadden Sea undergoes a dramatic transformation. What was once a vast expanse of water becomes a shimmering desert of sand and mud. The changing sky mirrors the shifting landscape, creating a scene that's both surreal and breathtaking. It's a reminder of the powerful forces at work in this extraordinary ecosystem. Setting foot on the exposed seabed feels like stepping into another world. The ground beneath is soft yet firm, with pools of water reflecting the clouds above. It's a surreal experience, walking where the ocean once flowed. Every step forward feels like an act of discovery, uncovering a world hidden just hours before. The hike is as much about camaraderie as it is about exploration. Laughter echoes across the flats as hikers find their footing on the uneven terrain. Some sink into the mud with surprise, while others splash joyfully through shallow streams. These shared moments turn strangers into companions on a shared journey. Even in this temporary landscape, life thrives. A heron stands motionless in a tidal pool, its eyes fixed on its next meal. It's a silent hunter, its patience a testament to the balance of nature. For those lucky enough to witness it, such moments are a reminder of the intricate web of life in the Wadden Sea. The Wadden Sea is beautiful, but it's also unpredictable. Storm clouds gather on the horizon, casting shadows over the mudflats. The group pauses, aware of nature's power and their place within it. It's a moment that heightens the senses, reminding everyone of the raw, untamed beauty of this place. Just as quickly as the storm threatens, the sun breaks through, bathing the flats in golden light. The hikers pause, awestruck by the transformation. The interplay of light and shadow creates a scene that feels almost otherworldly. It's a moment of pure connection with the environment, leaving everyone speechless. Every step is an adventure, the mud clinging to boots like a gentle reminder of the sea's presence. The texture changes underfoot, smooth sand gives way to sticky silt, and ripples form around each footprint. It's messy, but it's also thrilling, a tactile connection to the world beneath the waves. Each step feels like progress in this ever-shifting terrain. The hikers pause as a curious seal pup appears in the distance, lounging on a sandbank. Its dark eyes gleam with playful curiosity, a reminder that humans are visitors in this realm. The group whispers in awe, careful not to disturb this moment of shared existence. It's a fleeting but unforgettable connection with the wild. The mudflats are alive with tiny wonders, like a crab, busy on its journey across the sand. Its delicate tracks are a story written in the mud, a testament to the hidden life teeming here. Observing these small creatures reveals the intricate balance of this ecosystem, where every being has its place and purpose. It's a world both fragile and resilient. The journey continues into shallow waters where the sun sparkles on the surface like scattered diamonds. The cool water rushes around their ankles, a refreshing contrast to the warm air. Laughter mixes with the rhythmic sound of the waves, creating a symphony of nature and joy. The hikers feel alive, immersed in the beauty of the Wadden Sea. As the day winds down, the Wadden Sea offers one final masterpiece, a sunset that sets the sky ablaze with fiery hues. Birds soar gracefully against the backdrop, their calls echoing through the vastness. The golden light dances on the water, creating a scene of pure magic. It's a moment that etches itself into the hearts of all who witness it. The tide begins its return, a gentle but insistent force reclaiming the landscape. Water flows back into the channels, transforming the flats into shimmering mirrors once again. There's a quiet urgency as the hikers quicken their pace, aware of the sea's unrelenting rhythm. It's a humbling reminder of nature's power and the importance of respecting its cycles. Timing is everything in the Wadden Sea, as the guide explains with passion and precision. The tides wait for no one, and misjudging them can mean trouble. Listening to the guide's stories of past adventures and close calls, the hikers gain a deeper respect for this dynamic environment. It's a lesson in humility and preparedness that adds gravity to their journey. Nature shows its unpredictable side as dark clouds gather on the horizon. The wind picks up, carrying the scent of rain and salt. The hikers pause, taking in the dramatic shift in atmosphere. There's a thrill in the air, a sense of standing on the edge of something vast and uncontrollable. As the rain begins to fall, the group finds temporary refuge on a sandbank. Droplets scatter across the surface, merging with the rippling water. Laughter breaks the tension, turning the unexpected rain into an adventure of its own. It's a moment of camaraderie, where even the elements feel like part of the experience. And then, just as quickly as it came, the storm begins to retreat. A rainbow arches across the horizon, its vivid colors mirrored in the water below. The hikers stand in awe, witnessing nature's way of rewarding those who embrace its unpredictability. It's a breathtaking conclusion to the day's challenges. After hours on the flats, the group finally sees the coastline ahead. Exhaustion mingles with exhilaration as they reflect on the journey. Every muddy step, Every splash of water, every shared laugh has brought them closer to the land, to nature, and to each other. It's a sense of accomplishment that's hard to describe but impossible to forget. The mud-streaked boots tell the story of an unforgettable adventure. It's not just about the destination, it's about every step, every challenge overcome. The hikers wear their muddy badges with pride, a testament to their journey through the Wadden Sea's wild beauty. It's a reminder that sometimes the messiest adventures are the most rewarding. Back on solid ground, the group gathers at a cozy village restaurant to share a meal and their stories. Freshly caught seafood graces the table, a delicious connection to the sea they've just explored. Laughter and conversation fill the air as they relive the day's adventures. It's a celebration of nature, resilience, and the bonds forged along the way. As twilight descends, the village glows softly, its charm even more pronounced in the evening light. The quiet streets and warm lights offer a sense of peace, a perfect ending to the day's excitement. It's a place where stories are born and memories are cherished, blending seamlessly with the timeless beauty of the Wadden Sea. Under the light of the moon, the Wadden Sea becomes a different kind of wonder. Its calm surface sparkles with silver, a serene contrast to the day's dynamic adventure. Standing at its edge, you feel a deep sense of gratitude for the journey, the connections, and the chance to walk on water, even if just for a moment. As the journey ends, the muddy boots are packed away, but the memories linger. The Wadden Sea leaves an indelible mark, not just on shoes, but on hearts. It's more than a destination. It's an experience that changes you, urging you to see the world with new eyes. The Wadden Sea is a living masterpiece, painted with wildlife, tradition, and nature's rhythms. Each visit offers a new perspective, a new story waiting to unfold. From the graceful flight of birds to the steady return of tides, it's a place that feels alive in every sense. With a final wave, the guide bids farewell, their passion for the Wadden Sea evident in every word they've shared. They've opened a door to a world few have truly experienced, leaving travelers with a deeper connection to this extraordinary place. It's a farewell, but also a promise to return. The Wadden Sea calls to the adventurer, the dreamer, and the nature lover in us all. Its tides carry not just water, but the promise of discovery, connection, and awe. Will you answer the call? Step into a world where walking on water isn't a dream. It's an adventure waiting for you. Walking on water, the untold adventures of the Wadden Sea. Come for the adventure. Stay for the wonder. The sea is waiting, and its stories are yours to discover. Disclaimer: all of the videos presented here are the result of artificial intelligence, so that it might be possible if there are any differences with the actual situation. Hopefully, by watching the videos, people can get imagination and description about the place.